Hey guys, I want you to check out my new image app here called the 123 AI image. It'll seem simple at first until you see the power of this little app here. As you see, it has a dashboard, has create image, and support. To create an image, simply click there. You write a simple prompt. Like head. You have different things, it's a simple prompt, but you have different image styles. And as you see, you have tons of different image styles. Okay, you have some videos. I want you to see what these have. What they call, there's two different ways to do it: exact and base ideal. We're just going to say base ideal. You have different sizes. Just hit generate the image. Now, as it's doing that, I want to show you that this also has a prompt image database will allow you to save it. So this is, in this case, it's a pretty simple prompt. I'll let you see that in here. But once it creates that image, you will have the ability to change it into anything out of these that you see over here. Let's make it fantasy style, and it will change that image and also give you that prompt, and will save that prompt for you when you save it there. So now you have that. Or we can, as you see the different ones, we can turn it into a portrait. I just want you to let you see the magic behind that. Again, now it's a portrait, and so on. You can do that with all the different styles here. Now that you see that, I want to let's just say save the image. Here where you can see, you just select the folder. I'm just going to say put in the testing folder. Image name, lady with Nike. Just to save it here. So now that image is saved, but you won't, if you have a more detailed prompt, you want to save it will save your best 20 prompts. So we'll come back over here to the dashboard. This is things I've already saved, just so you get an idea of what's in it. So you see the lady with the Nike hat, but it keeps it. You have unlimited. You have a storage here. This only saves the storage area. Is you can use it as a prompt storage or image storage, so you don't lose your prompts or your images. As you see here, look at the detail of some of these images. Then when you want to pull it back up, see how right here it's saved. You can download it, obviously. You pull it back up. See how the prompt that I've already saved is there, right here. You can say reuse the prompt, copy prompt. Reuse or copy prompt. So it means, obviously, we know what copy means. Reuse means it will go back in here, and we can do what we just did with the lady in the night. Just change the different type of style we're going to use. That's a sneak peek into 1, 2, 3 AI images.